Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video we are going to see what is the difference between count and COUNTA. Before jumping into our today's discussion, if you have missed to watch our previous video sessions like what is the difference between COUNTIF and COUNTIFS and what are the ifs and what are the top 4 functions in sum, if and everything, we have provided those playlist link in our iCard. You can go ahead and watch it, and also we are providing this working file in our we are uploading our working file in our link and providing as a link in our description box. You can go ahead and download it and practice for yourself to understand the formulas better. Let's start with the today's session. The very first one which we are going to deal is the count. Equal to count, and I'm going to select the whole range which is from D2 to D7. Close the bracket and hit enter. You will get only 4. Why? Because this count function will count only the value where we are having numerical values, not the text values. Now I'm going to use the count a function. So what this count a will going to give the result, let's see. The same range I am selecting and hitting enter. I got 6. The reason why I got 6 is because simply count a is counting all the numbers in our Excel file without skipping, without blank values. If there is any blank values, it will skip. If there is no blank values, it will automatically count the numbers. And to know more, you can see by typing it over there, and it says counts the number of cells in the range contains only the numbers. That is for the count. I am writing it as count only add the number values, and count a will add non-blank values irrespective of its data types. So this is the difference between count and COUNTA. Hope this concept is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you all the time. And please post your query through our comment box, and then we can address it as well. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.